It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. All right, guys, so today is my last and final BOXYCHARM box, for now at least. The BOXYCHARM box is called, this one for July is called the Fantasy, and it is sea themed, I guess. We are going to start with item number 1, and I have all of them out here. So I wanted to make sure I used some of them this time before I brought them to you. This is the Ilamasqua. I think that's how you pronounce it. I believe this palette was in the BOXYCHARM boxes last year. So some people may have already gotten this one and they're just kind of repeating it. But it is a beautiful neutral palette. Again, I told them that's kind of the palettes that I wanted. So it has, I wish that this palette had the names on the palette and I didn't have to keep this little film here. But I guess that's good because it keeps it from getting dirty. I do have the shadow on today. I used, I believe it was Poise and Empower, which is like one of these tan colors, and then a brown over there. I feel like this is great for all skin tones, and this retails for $50. And this is the base box. If this is your first BOXYCHARM video ever, this is the base box for $25. So this is $50, so the box pretty much paid for itself already. And this is the original packaging that it came in. All right, next up is the Dermalect Cosmeceuticals Out Creasing Retinol Trifecta Serum. And I have that here. I haven't used this yet because I still have 2 or 3 other skin products from my last 2 BOXYCHARM boxes, and I'll leave an iCard above so you guys can go back and see those as well. This is MSRP $39. Next up is the Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. I actually am obsessed with these little eye patch things. I love them, so anytime I get them or I can find them or there's a brand that I like. I don't have a specific brand, but when I went to Korea, it was really big there. Well, I mean, obviously, it's like the skin capital of the world, but these are really cool. The only thing is these are super delicate, and as you'll see in this footage here of me applying them, I did rip one of them because they're so delicate. So be very careful with these. Also, they did kind of slide down my cheeks a little bit. These retail for $49.99. Pretty cool. The Reza Be Obsessed Sea Spray Vacation in a Bottle. I'm pretty sure I told them I didn't want any hair products, but whatever. I'm definitely not going to use this. I already asked one of my girlfriends if she wanted it, so I'm going to give this to her. It is a Gold Infused Shield Mystic 7 Pink Himalayan Sea Salt. The reason why they call this a fantasy, I think they all have something to do with the ocean or something similar to that. Hawaiian Black Lava Sea Salt, and it creates and defines natural looking beachy waves that don't weigh your hair down. Girl, this is not going to work for my natural hair, so this will be going to someone who can use it. Disappointed with that one. And that retails for $20. Last but not least is the $1 Billion Brows. Brows on Point Micro Pencil. I had this in the color taupe, which I was real thrown off because I was like, girl, taupe. Because in my mind, taupe is in the family of like a khaki or like a, in terms of hair color, it'd be like a light brown or medium brown. My eyebrows are dark brown, okay? And from a distance, they look black. But very surprising, surprise, surprise. As you can see in this footage here, it fits perfectly. It matches well. I'm actually wearing it today. I actually love this pencil. It reminds me of a Milani eyebrow pencil that I have for a fraction of the cost. This one is $16, which isn't too bad. I feel like that's in line with a higher end brow because I think Gimme Brow and all that's like $20. So I think this is a really good price. This is probably my favorite item out of the BOXYCHARM box. So anyways, guys, all in all, I have thoroughly enjoyed the BOXYCHARM experience. Honestly, though, I feel like it's too much makeup for me, which sounds crazy. I know. But it's like I can't use up all the face products and all the eyeshadows, and then I end up having a huge pile of eyeshadow palettes like I did before when I threw them all out. iCard love. So I really think BOXYCHARM is good to get it like maybe like 3 times a year or a couple times a year. Use those products up and then do it again. I think it's an awesome concept. I mean, like many other subscription boxes, but I really just enjoyed this one because the products are well over $25, so you're definitely getting bang for your buck. So BOXYCHARM, y'all did that. I would give BOXYCHARM a 4.5 out of 5 stars. Okay? Okay. All right, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Actually, you'll catch me because I can't see y'all. You'll catch me in my next one. And I hope you guys are having a great day. Don't forget to thumbs up if you made it to the end and you really enjoy these videos. It really helps me out a lot. And don't forget to subscribe, girl. We're trying to get to 5,000 subscribers as soon as possible. All right, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.